Namaskar. Wish you a very happy new year. May this new year bring you lots of joy, success and prosperity. Prosperity से याद आया, this year can be the year of you achieving your dreams. Have you dreamt of a life where you are growing in your career, scaling your business and sustaining financially, that too effortlessly? Imagine spending every moment of your life feeling financially stable, abundant and secure. It is not only possible but easily achievable. For a decade, our courses and our products have helped lakhs of people effortlessly manifest prosperity in their lives. This year, Wellness Vibe brings to you a multi-dimensional prosperity experience in the form of a prosperity kit designed none other than Vibhushri. Experience prosperity through the ages. This kit is a collection of award-winning tools that incorporates ancient yogic wisdom and modern strategies to being prosperous. The kit includes the Abundance Mindset book, the Secret to Abundance journal, the 9 Pillars of Prosperity wall art, the Melody of Abundance soundtrack, which is an internationally acclaimed frequency remedy, and the Prosperity Singing Bowl, which is an ultimate tool to rewire your vibrations to the vibrations of peace, well-being and prosperity. Discover how these tools can assist you in manifesting abundance in your life and creating a life full of joyfulness and success. Unlock your potential now.